Welcome to Prognozy Capital, where we provide you with the latest market update. On December 6, 2023, the Nifty index showed positive performance, closing at 20,937.7 and experiencing an increase of 82.6 points. There were long buildups observed with an open interest of 9,268 contracts. In terms of Nifty options for the December 7, 2023 expiry, there was a buildup of call OI or resistance at 21,000. With an OI increase of 12.06%. Additionally, there was a buildup of put OI or support at 20,800, with an OI increase of 34.20%. Interestingly, new call writers shifted up from 21,000 to 21,100, while new put writers also shifted up from 20,800 to 20,900. Both of these movements suggest bullish setups in the market. On the other hand, the banknifty index closed negatively at 46,834.55, experiencing a decrease of minus 177.7 points. There was a long unwind observed with an OI of minus 7,843.2 contracts. Looking at the banknifty options for the December 13, 2023 expiry, there was a buildup of call option OI or resistance at 50,000, with an OI increase of 341.63%. Similarly, there was a buildup of put option OI or support at 44,000, with an OI increase of 414.82%. New call writers shifted up from 47,000 to 50,000, while new put writers remained at 44,000. This shift in call writers suggests a bullish setup in the market. Today, the FII sold 79.87 CR, while DII bought 1,372.18 CR in the cash market. In the F&O segments, the FII made various trades. They bought 2,040.74 CR in index futures, but sold 18,810.81 CR in index options. Additionally, they sold 464.34 CR in stocks futures and 1086.41 CR in stocks options. Overall, they had a net sell of 18,320.82 CR in the F&O market. In terms of index futures, the FII added 12,028 long contracts and closed 14,644 short contracts. This means that they are now net long in the index with 22,954 contracts, compared to their previous position of minus 3,718 contracts. Moving on to stocks futures, the FII closed 13,417 long contracts and 7,947 short contracts. As a result, they are now net long in stocks with 179,050 contracts, compared to their previous position of 184,520 contracts. Analyzing the FII's index options, they currently have a net put long position of 363,517 contracts, compared to their previous position of 195,110 contracts. They also have a net call long position of 328,515 contracts, compared to their previous position of 126,565 contracts. The fact that the option buildups on the short side are less than the long side suggests that the downside is limited. Thank you so much for tuning in. We truly appreciate your support and would love for you to join our YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter as well, where we share even more exciting content. For more information and updates, make sure to check out our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. Once again, thank you for watching.